Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to dig a well. Installing a complete residential water well system typically ranges from $3,000 to $15,000. This comprehensive investment covers essential elements like drilling, casing, pump installation, and all necessary electrical components. On average, homeowners can expect to spend between $5,500 and $9,000 for a standard residential well system. Several key factors significantly influence the total cost of digging a well. The depth required to reach water is the primary driver, as contractors typically charge per foot. Geological conditions, such as drilling through hard rock or dense clay, can increase both the time and specialized equipment needed, raising expenses. Additionally, the well's diameter and the chosen casing material, like PVC versus steel, affect the overall price. Finally, the site's location and accessibility can impact labor and transportation costs. Let's look at some average costs. Drilling a complete well system typically costs between $25 and $65 per foot. For shallower wells, usually 25 to 50 feet deep, the average expense is $1,800 to $3,000. However, deeper wells, ranging from 200 to 400 feet, can push costs up to $10,000 or even $20,000. A common 150-foot residential well often falls within the range of $3,750 to $9,750. Beyond the drilling, several additional costs and considerations are important. You'll need to budget for permits and local regulations, which can range from $5 to $500. A well pump, essential for bringing water to the surface, typically costs between $300 and $2,000. Pressure tanks, vital for water storage, usually run from $500 to $2,500. Finally, investing in water quality testing and purification systems is crucial to ensure your well provides safe, clean drinking water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.